Good morning, our student. Today we will talk about the ratio. What is the meaning of the ratio and its properties? What is the meaning of the ratio? Ratio is a way of comparing between two numbers or between two quantities by division. We can write the ratio in three different ways. Like what? If we comparing between number 5 and number 6, we can write it as 5 to 6 or 5 over 6 or 5 to 6. Number 5 is called the first number or the first term. 6 is called the second number or the second term. Then 5 and 6 are terms of the ratio. We have first and the second. In the ratio, the order is important. Like 5 to 6 is not equal 6 to 5. If we write 3 to 5 is not equal 5 to 3. Then the order is important. At the end, the ratio of two numbers equal the first number over the second number. Or we can write the first term over the second term. Or we can replace this and we write antecedent, and we can replace the second number and write consequent. What is the properties of the ratio? It's the same properties of the fraction. Number 1, simplifying. We can make simplifying or make reduce. Number 2, it should be a whole number, like 15, like 130, like 250, like 32. It's whole number. It should be the same unit. It must have the same unit. And when we make simplify, we should cancel this unit. It has no units. Remarks. How we know the number is divisible by 2, or how we know we can make it divided by 2? If it's an even number, we know the even number from what? From the units. The digits should be 0 or 2, 4, 6 or 8. Divisible by 3. How we know the number is divisible by 3? When we make the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. Like 35. We make 5 times 3 equal 8. 8 in table 3? No, it's not divisible by 3. Like 33. We make it the digits plus 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 is divisible by 3? Yes, then we can make 33 divided 3. Divisible by 5. If its unit is 0 or 5, like 15, like 150, like 215, and so on. Now we will make simplifying. Put in the simplest form. Number 1, 25 to 75. How we make this simplify? These two numbers is divisible by what? Right, here unit is 5, it's divisible by 5, we make it divided 5. 25 divided 5 equal 5, and 75 divided 5 equal 15. We can make this simplify again. Yes, it's in table 5. We can make it divided 5. 5 divided 5 equal 1, and 15 divided 5 equal 3. This is the simplest form. Another 2800 to 3500. Here we have zeros. We can make it divided by 100. It will be 28 to 35. Then 28 and 35 divisible by what? This is in table 7. Then we can make it divided 7. 28 divided 7 equal 4, and 35 divided 7 equal 5. Example 3. If we have fraction half to 3 over 4, what is the meaning of this? This means divided. Half divided 3 over 4. We talk in grade 4 how we make dividing for the fraction. We put the first fraction as the same. We convert divided 2 times, and we flip the next fraction or the second fraction. It will be 4 over 3. Then we make the first times the first and the second times the second. 1 times 4 equal 4, and 2 times 3 equal 6. It's become 4 to 6. Now we can make this simplify. Yes, we can make it divided by 2 because it's even number. The answer will be 2 to 3. Number 4. Here it's a fraction and a mixed number. At the first we should convert the mixed number to fraction. How we convert this? We make times plus. Times from down, 4 times 2 equal 8. 8 plus 1 equal 9. And put the same denominator. It will be 9 over 4. Then we make 1. We convert this to times. 3 over 8 times and flip the second fraction. It will be 4 over 9. Then we make multiply. 3 times 4 equal 12. 8 times 9 equal 72. We can make it simplify. We can make it divided by 3. The answer will be 4 to 24. We can make it simplify again. Divided by 4. It will be 1 to 6. Example 5. 6.3 to 18.9. Here we have a decimal point. We should move this point. How we move this point? We make it times 10. It will be 63 to 189 because we move the point to right one step. It's become 63 to 189. It's divisible by 3. When we make it divided 3, it will be 21 to 63. So we can make it divided 3. It will be 7 to 21. This is in table 7. We can make it divided 7. It will be 1, 2, 3. This is the simplest form. Question number 6. 5.5 to 22. Here it's a decimal and here it's a whole number. We should move this point. How we move this? We make it times by 10. Then we make the two terms times 10. The first term it will be 55 and the second term it will be 220. The unit here is 5 and 0. Then we can make it divided by 5. The answer will be 11 to 44. This is in table 11. Then we can make it divided 11. It will be 1 to 4. This is the simplest form. Question number 7. If we have decimal and fraction, we make what? We can convert the fraction to decimal or we can convert the decimal to fraction. We will convert the fraction to decimal. How we make this? We make it times 2 up and down. We make here times 2 up and down. It will be what? It will be 16 over 10. How we write this as a decimal? It will be 1.6. Then complete. Here it's become decimal. We make what? To move the point? Yes, we make it times 10. It will be 32 times 16. It's become whole number. Now we can make it simplified. We make it divided 8. It will be 4 to 2. 4 and 2 in table 2 or divisible by 2 because it's even. Then we make it divided 2. The answer will be 2 to 1. We take before the perimeter and the area of all shapes, triangle and square and rhombus and the circumference of the circle. At the first, in an equilateral triangle, the ratio of the side length to the perimeter. We will write this ratio. At the first, ratio between the side length, then we write the side. Then it's the perimeter. What is the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? Yes, it's a side times 3. Then we write side 2 side times 3. Now we have the same. Then we cancel side from the first term and from the second term. It will be 1, 2, 3. Then the ratio of the side length to the perimeter of the equilateral triangle is 1, 2, 3. Number 2. In a square, the ratio of the side length to the perimeter. What is the perimeter of the square? It's the side times 4. Then we write the side 2 side times 4. Then we cancel what? We cancel the side. The answer will be 1, 2, 4. Number 3. In a rhombus, the ratio of the perimeter to the side length. What is the perimeter of the rhombus? It's a side times 4, like the square, because all sides are equal in length. Then we write side times 4 to s. Here we have s and s, then we cancel it. It's become what? It's become 4 to 1. Number 4. In a circle, the ratio of the diameter length to the circumference. What is the circumference? It's 2 by r or by d. We use what? We use by dy because here it's diameter. Then we write diameter 2 by d. Here we have d and d. Then we cancel this. The answer will be 1, 2 by. Number 5. In a circle, the ratio of the radius length to the circumference. Here we ask about the radius. Then we use rule 2 by r. Our radius to the circumference is 2 by r. We will cancel r because it's the same. Then the answer will be 1, 2 by.